What's up, guys? We're back. Here's my 2018 KTM250SXF, and today we're gonna be spicing it up a little bit, doing a little bit of a install and a little bit of a review. Show you guys beforehand. I got a new FMF on here. Sounds really good. Picked that up used, but nice sound exhaust. Not too much louder. I'll have to do a video on it, but a little bit louder, but a lot better tone and better raspiness. But so yeah, this isn't really a sponsorship video. They gave me a discount on this. I hit up Motoseat, asked if they would do a little bit of a discount if I made a video, and I've always ran these seats. Well, actually, I've only had one of these seats, but I know a lot of friends who have ran these seats, and they're really comfy, good quality. So I got a custom seat cover here I'm gonna be installing. And how to install it: first off, you're gonna there's 2 bolts. Take your seat off right in here. You want to take them out, and then your seat will come off. 8 mils. Next step's gonna be taking off the old seat cover. Some people leave the old one underneath it, but I'm not a fan of that. I mean, this one's ripped up anyways, so there's no reason to try to save it underneath. So you're just gonna take your screwdriver, like I've been doing here, pull it up, and take your needle nose pliers and pull it out. It takes a minute. It's kind of tedious, but just pull all those out. All right, guys, got all them staples out. Toss that old cover away, and this cover looks awesome. It's gonna go good with my graphics I'm gonna be getting eventually, and this matches my gear. Hooked it up with some stickers. So now you're just gonna want to fold it on just like you took the other one off. All right, the first couple staples are the hardest part. I'm not gonna be able to show you guys actually stapling it because I don't have a cameraman or anything. But what I like to do is get the cover on, and one of the biggest things is making sure it's very tight and it doesn't have like bubbles and like ribs, I guess, whatever you want to call it. So I like to start at one end. I'll probably start at this end, make sure it's really tight. Maybe put like 2 in the middle or 2 on this end also, and then just kind of work my way. And at first, don't go like this, go boom, skip, you know, because then you can tighten it in between. And you can always take out staples and redo it if you mess up, so it's not too big of a deal. I'll do a few staples and get back. All right, guys, top's pretty tight. I've got some in here, and I'm just using a hand stapler. So if you have a air compressor one, works a lot better, but I'm not sure exactly what kind you have to use, but I'm sure that information's online. So my biggest thing is you're gonna be looking at that, so I wanted to make sure it's as straight as possible. And this is what I mean by like bubbles. So when you do it, you're gonna pull it. Hard to do with one hand, but just so you don't have that bubbling, because that really annoys me. But yeah, just do it your best, guys, and I'll get back to you when I'm closer to being done. All right, here's the finished product. It looks great. Motoseat did it again. Nice product. Had some issues stapling. One thing to watch out for is like ribs like this. You won't be able to staple on there. So yeah, I mean, do your best. I didn't have the best stapler. I mean, it's not pretty from the underside, but I can assure you it will not come loose. And then when you're done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a razor blade and just cut off the excess. Don't go like way in there, but like stuff where it's like up on like that. I don't know, I just cut it off. Make it a little bit better. And then I'll show you it on the bike. All right, here it is on the bike. It's gonna look a lot better when I get my graphics to match it, but right now it even looks good. Feels like a nice grippy seat. I'm excited to try it out.